Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my honey lemon fish. Right, nice little Asian inspired type of recipe, and we're going to be using a bit of Boorowa bees honey. Right, little buddy of mine's got this. Right, so I'm going to add in some my Boorowa bees honey, around about a third of a cup's ish worth. Put that into a little bowl there, and I'm going to add in just a little dash of lemon juice. Don't need a lot, just a little bit, just like that. And we're just going to combine that until we end up with a really nice, consistent type looking sauce. That is all you need for this dish. Right, Boorowa bees honey, a little bit of lemon, and this is going to taste amazing in the end. Very simple to do. Okay, so I'm just going to put that aside. Let's make up a really nice light batter. We're going to use a third of a cup of self-raising flour, a third of a cup of cornstarch, and a third of a cup of potato starch as well. Alright, give that all quick stir, just like that. Really quick and simple. One beaten egg. We can put that straight into our flour mixture, just like that, and this will give you a really nice fluffy but crunchy type batter. Little squirt of some vegetable oil that can go in. It's only a tablespoon or so. Little bit of soda water, nice and cold. Just add a little bit at a time. We don't want this to be a runny batter. We don't want it to be a thick batter. We want it to make it like a thin type pancake batter. Right, you'll see the ribbons coming off the end of the whisk as I go. Don't work it too hard. We don't want to overwork the glutens in the flour. It should look something like that, almost tempura-ish. Here I've got a nice piece of fish, and today I'm using some ling, and I'm going to season that up with a little bit of ground white pepper. Right, just like that. That can go straight over the top, just like that. Very simple, and it's going to give us a nice little bit of flavour inside the fish. Give that a little bit of saltage over the top, just to taste. Right, I'm going to cut this straight down the centre, and I'm just going to cut these up into nice little pieces, nice little medallions for a better word. Alright, so just keep working through and cutting your fish up into nice little tiny chunks, just like that. We don't want these too big, we want these nice and small. It's going to present better, eat better, and plate better. Okay, so we've got all our nice little pieces of fish all like that. Put that straight into the batter, just like I'm doing right there. It's not going to take very long at all, and I've got some oil already heating up to around about 160 to 165 degrees. And we're going to put that fish in just like that. Give that a little bit of a stir, and just get those all nicely coated. Don't go too hard. We don't want to break that fish up. As you can see, I've already got one piece of fish in, so all we need to do is just start adding in our fish into our oil, just very nice and carefully. And using a bamboo skewer like this, it's going to keep your digits away from the oil better than most. If you've got a deep fryer, go for it. Use that. My deep fryer, a little bit too hard to get over to this particular section of the kitchen. Alright, we're going to cook those off until they go nice and crunchy all the way through. It's not going to take very long, around about sort of 2.5 to 3 minutes maybe at the best, and all we have to do is keep cooking those off. Right, just keep putting them in little batches just like that, and once they go that nice golden color, well, we can take those out. The fish will be cooked. If the fish is slightly undercooked, don't worry, it will be absolutely fine. Okay, so just keep going through in batches. Let's get on with the rest of our presentation. I've got some rice noodle putting that straight into that hot oil. They'll puff up really nicely. Just make sure you've got something to stir those noodles through with a little bit, and that's going to make a really nice garnish. A little plate full of lettuce straight on the bottom like that. It's going to give us a nice fresh colour and give us something to chew on a little bit later. Our rice noodles down, and all we have to do now is simply put our beautiful pieces of fish straight over the top. And you're probably asking, where is the honey? It's coming. Okay, and all we have to do now is simply get our honey lemon sauce and just pour that straight over the top, just like that, and concentrate on the fish, of course, and you will end up with the most amazing Asian inspired type Cantonese fusion dish ever. Really simple, really full of flavor, especially if you're using the Boorowa bees honey. All right, and we're gonna top that off with a few spring onions or scallions that we have finely shredded and had those sitting in some cold water. And there you go, you got KP's honey lemon fish, and obviously try and make this one at home. Really simple, really easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really quick, really simple, and all Aussie made, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After I eat my honey lemon fish, and I will catch you next time. Bye.